unbox our Torque 1.0. So what is a Torque 1.0? Torque 1.0 is nothing but our arthroscopic shaver system. Now let's get ahead with the unboxing. This innovative device is characterized by its speed, high performance, ergonomic design and superior blades among other features. One of the key features of the arthroscopic shaver system is its high speed performance with an impressive RPM of 6000. This system offers speed necessary for swift, clean cuts, minimizing tissue trauma and potentially reducing the patient's recovery time. Another integral part of the arthroscopy shaver is the handpiece. This handpiece is thoughtfully designed. It is lightweight and ergonomic, reducing hand fatigue and allows the surgeon to maintain a firm and steady grip throughout the procedure. The system also consists of a foot control unit, a feature that offers surgeons additional control over the device. With this feature, the surgeon can easily adjust the speed and direction of the blade. The arthroscopy shaver system also comes with two Smith & Nephew blades. These blades are renowned for their superior quality and exceptional performance. Now, let me just show you how it is attached. We have already plugged the main power cable into the switch. We will insert the power cable over here. Make sure it is off. We will attach the foot unit cable in the foot switch made for the foot switch. The keys go directly. For the hand piece, again, this will go like this and just lock this. This is the FMS cable. It is attached over here. It is attached to the FMS unit. This is a suction pipe. So I switched on the button. Foot unit comes with 3 modes. The RPM is set at 6000 approximately. The 3 modes are reverse, oscillatory and forward. It comes with a manual, instruction manual, which tells how to use the shaver set and also with instructions to sterilize the blades and how to take care of each and every device in the set. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This was all about our Torque 1.0. If you liked the unboxing, do let us know. And if you want us to review your product, do let us know and get in touch with us. Thank you. Have a great day.